Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how I use a specific indicator to buy and sell Bitcoin. Right now I'm on my Luno homepage. You would have to go to your Luno exchange right here. You click on this exchange, it will take you to a page like this. This is your Luno exchange, and right here is your price chart. Now the indicator I am going to be using is not on this Luno integrated chart by TradingView. Now this chart is gotten by TradingView. Now this is TradingView right here. This is a charting program that you can use to plot all these charts. I suggest you click on this right now. You click on this chart by TradingView right here. When you click on this, you'll be directed to a platform like this. Now this is your charting program. Now this is your Bitcoin in US dollar charts. You get, this is your Bitcoin in US dollars. Now I am going to show you the indicator I use to effectively buy and sell Bitcoin. I'll have to go to the indicator tab, which is right here. So when you click on this indicator, you would have to search for hash ribbon. Yeah, now as you can see, this is hash ribbons. You would have to click on it, and this is the indicator I am going to be using to effectively buy and sell Bitcoin. Now we are here. I am on the daily chart, as you can see. Now, so every single candle here is represented by a day. Now let me show you how I buy Bitcoin using this indicator. Now as you can see, if you go down to this indicator, this is the indicator right here. This is the hash ribbon. Every single time it flashes this blue color. Every single time it flashes this blue color, it is a good time to buy. If you buy every single time this indicator flashes this blue buy color, you would be making a lot of money. For example, let me go back in the trend and show you what I am talking about. Now for example, the last time this indicator flashed blue, as you can see, it says buy. So every single time it flashes this blue, it is a very good time to buy. That means the trend would be heading in the upward direction. So as you can see in the price chart right now, this is exactly the time it flashed blue. You get? So as it flashed this blue, as you can see, the price went up drastically upwards. Let me show you the price range from this point in which it flashed blue to the highest point. The price went up 47%. So if you had bought and you sold at this top level, you would have made a lot of money. Now let me show you another example of the hash ribbon. Now let's go back in price to another example where it flashed blue. Now this is another perfect example. It flashed this buy signal. Now when it flashed this buy signal, as you can see, and you had held and sold at this top region right here, you would have made a lot of money on your trade. From this exact point it flashed this signal. Let me show you the price range it took. Now from this exact point right here to the top of the trend, the price went up 297%, almost a 300% move to the upside. Now as you can see, this is a very reliable tool when buying and selling of Bitcoin. So if you buy at the time where it flashed blue and you sold at the top of the trend, you would be making money over time. This indicator is the hash ribbon. It's a very reliable indicator when it comes to buying and selling of Bitcoin. Now let me show you another example in the price history whereby it flashed blue. Now as you can see, this flashed blue right here. From this point the price started trending in the upward direction. As you can see, from this point, take a look at this point right here, it started going upward. You see, from this exact, you can't even see it again. From this point it went up. Let me draw the price range for you. From that point it went up over 3000%. This is 3388% to the upside. So this indicator is a very useful indicator when it comes to buying and selling of Bitcoin. Now let me go back to the recent trend of the price. Now as you can see, this is the current price right now. As you can see, once again it is flashing the blue signal, which means buy. Now this means that you should buy at this particular point. From this point the trend would be heading upward. That means if the trend was to be going upward, you would be in profit if you buy at this particular zone of the trend. Alright, now let me show you, if this signal was to go another 3000% from the initial buy zone, the price target would be above $350,000. Well, I'm not saying that the price is going to head to this level, but what I'm saying is that this hash ribbon has been very useful in knowing where to buy Bitcoin. And when it appreciates, when it goes up in the next few months and to a year, you'll be able to sell it at a much higher price. Now, if you truly enjoyed this video, please leave this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It really helps small channel like this one grow, and I really appreciate it if you do. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.